In the previous video, we understood the drawing area in AutoCAD 2027. We saw that the drawing area is where we can create, edit, zoom, pan, and work on our actual AutoCAD drawings. Now, in this video, we'll understand something you will use every single time inside drawing area, the selection cursor. The selection cursor is a cursor you can see on the screen. It helps us to pick points, select objects, choose direction, and work accurately in AutoCAD. Hi, I'm Dipan, and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand section cursor in a simple way. The section cursor is the cursor you see inside the AutoCAD drawing area. In most cases, it looks like a cursor instead of looking a normal mouse pointer. This cursor is the most important because AutoCAD is not just a normal design program. AutoCAD is a precision drafting software. That means every point, every line, every shape, and every distance needs to be accurate. So selection cursor help you to work more carefully inside the drawing. In normal computer software, the cursor usually looks like a small arrow. But in AutoCAD, the cursor looks like a cursor because we use it to draw and select points accurately. For example, when you draw a line, AutoCAD will ask you to pick first point. Then it will ask you to pick the next point. The crosshair helps you to choose those points clearly inside the drawing area. So whenever you move your mouse, the crosshair shows your position in the drawing space. One of the main use of the selection cursor is the picking points. When we use commands like line, circle, rectangle, or polyline, AutoCAD will ask you to click a point. For example, if you use the line command, we need to click starting point and then click the ending point. Both of these clicks are done using the selection cursor. So from now on, whenever I say click a point, I'm talking about using the crosshair cursor inside the drawing area. The selection cursor is also used to select an object. For example, if you want to select a line, a circle, a rectangle, a wall, a door, or any object in AutoCAD, you move the cursor over the object and click on it. Once the object is selected, AutoCAD usually highlights it and shows small grid points. These grid points can help you to move, stretch, or edit the object. You will learn grips properly later, but for now, just understand that the cursor is used to select objects for editing. The selection cursor works together with the AutoCAD commands. For example, if you start a move command, AutoCAD will ask you to select an object. You use cursor to select that object. Then the AutoCAD will ask you to specify the base point. Again, you use the cursor to pick the point. Then AutoCAD will ask you to where you want to move the object. Again, the cursor helps you to choose the new location. So in AutoCAD, the cursor and command line works together. The command line tells you what to do, and the cursor helps you to do what you want to do on the screen. When you move your cursor to an object, AutoCAD may highlight that object. That is called object highlighting. It is helpful to understand which object you are about to select before you click on it. This is useful when drawing has many lines, circles, walls, text, or dimension close to each other. By looking at the highlight, you can make sure you are selecting the correct object. So don't click too fast. Move your cursor carefully, check the highlight, and then select an object. Near the center of the cursor, you may see a small square box. This is the pick box or selection box. When you click on the object, AutoCAD uses this small box to detect what you are selecting. If the object is inside or close to the selection box, AutoCAD can select it. If your selection feels difficult, it may be because the pick box is too small or you are not clicking close enough to the object. For now, you don't need to change any settings. Just know that this small box helps you to AutoCAD select an object. The selection cursor is very important for accuracy. But remember, just using the cursor is not enough. To draw accurately, we also use tools like Object Snap, Ortho, Polar Tracking, and exact measurements. For example, if you want to connect line exactly to the endpoint of the another line, you should not just guess with your eyes. You should use the Object Snap. We will learn Object Snap in detail later because it is one of the most important tools in the AutoCAD. For now, just remember that the cursor helps you to work on the screen, but accuracy comes from using the cursor with the correct drafting tools. Let's quickly summarize the crosshair cursor. The selection cursor is a cursor inside the AutoCAD drawing area. It helps you to pick points. It helps you to select objects. It helps you to choose the directions. It works together with the command line. When you move over an object, AutoCAD may highlight it. The small box near the center helps AutoCAD detect what you are selecting, and the cursor is very important for accurate drafting. Before we move to the next video, do the small practice. Open any drawing in AutoCAD. Move your cursor around the drawing area. Hover the different object and notice how AutoCAD highlights them. Click on a line or object to see how it gets selected. Then press Escape to cancel the selection. Do this a few times so you become comfortable with the selecting and deselecting objects. You don't need to draw anything complicated yet. Just practice moving the cursor, selecting objects, and pressing Escape to cancel it. So this was the selection cursor in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember remember that this cursor is your main way to interacting with the drawing. You will use it to pick points, select objects, choose location, and work inside the drawing area. In the next video, we'll understand the navigation bar. The navigation bars helps you to move around the drawing using the tools like zoom, pan, and view controls. So in the next lesson, we'll understand the navigation bar in a simple way. I'll see you in the next lesson.